In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a domain that I bought on DropCatch auctions and list it for sale on Afternic, which is basically the platform that lets you sell your domain on GoDaddy. First, you start by opening your DropCatch account to buy a domain. After you purchase it, you'll find it under the buying activity icon. For example, I bought this domain for $13, and this is the one we're going to list for sale on GoDaddy. Next, open your Afternic account. Go to your Portfolio tab, then click Add Domains. Now, we're going to copy our domain from DropCatch, just like this, and paste it into the field on Afternic, then click Next. We're not done yet, because we still need to set a few parameters and verify the domain. Click on Pricing to set your bin price, floor price, and minimum price. Since this domain isn't very strong, I'm going to set bin price $490. After that, click Submit. Afternic may ask you to log in again, just reconnect. Now we need to verify the domain ownership. Afternic will give you 2 name servers. Copy these name servers. Then go to NameBright, which is the registrar that DropCatch uses. Open your account. Look for your domain, it's right here. Click on it. Then go to Name Servers and paste the Afternic name servers. Now everything is set. Let's double check on GoDaddy if the listing is visible. Search for your domain on GoDaddy. And here it is, showing the prices we set earlier.